won't believe the Shiba Inu partnership that just got greenlit. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's sick video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the sub button. But other than that, let's get into the video. In the meat and potatoes of this actual video, Shytoshi himself has officially announced, and most of the Shiba Inu team as well have announced this, another powerful partnerships by Shiba Inu. This one will change the fashion industry forever. Much more details to follow, with of course the exclamation point. Here is the actual post itself. Again, we're gonna play through this video and give my live reaction. As you can see, announcement with JR Richmond style X Shiba Inu token. Now, what we know about this so far, this is confirmed. Over 10,000 junior X Shib NFTs will be released. That is important to know, guys. Again, those NFTs are going to be released sooner rather than later. I believe the release date was at least announced, I think, sometime in March, maybe April. If not that, then there's obviously no official release date quite yet. Now, as far as the overall fashion show goes, this is expected to take place in Milan, Italy. And if we look at this overall video, kind of the way that they are advertising Shiba Inu in the specific instance, I think is very good, right? It's very flashy. I think it catches a lot of eyeballs, a lot of attention. Now, I want to say this, I want to be very clear about this, guys. I am not exactly super thrilled about this. I'm reporting it in a very excited way, obviously, because that's how I like to bring the energy to you guys. But what I want you guys to keep in mind is, unfortunately, that this is not something that I am really particularly thrilled about or over the moon about. And one of the reasons for that is, unfortunately, just, guys, this is not that big of a deal. And when I say that, I mean that the overall collaboration between these two, it's just not something that I think is going to really make waves in the overall Shiba Inu community and the overall Shiba Inu ecosystem. I mean, look, their account only has about 3,000 followers. And again, this is a really small fashion boutique that most of nobody, probably you, I'm sure haven't even heard about this until watching this video. And again, even though that they are partnering and it could potentially be cool what comes out of it, right? Whether it's the different pieces of clothing or whether it's the actual partnership itself, I just don't see a lot of groundbreaking stuff happening here to really change the overall course of Shiba Inu. That aside, though, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I would love to know your thoughts as well. If you haven't already, I want to recommend you guys join our private Discord with the second link down in the description below. You get one-on-one interactions on the Discord and Patreon with us exclusively. We also get our daily crypto alerts. This includes our buy alerts when we are buying. It also includes first look at new cryptos that we are looking to get into. This also includes crypto market strategies and updates, and of course articles and information that we think that you guys might find useful. So if any of this sounds interesting, hit that second link down in the description below and get signed up if you haven't already. Guys, 49 million Shiba Inu tokens were burned amid Shiba Inu's last 15% rise. That is absolutely nuts, guys, considering that we are moving in this kind of way and starting to recover quite nicely here with the rest of the crypto market following suit. Again, if you look at the other kind of larger market cap coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, for instance, Bitcoin over $43,000 now, Ethereum just barely flirting with that $3,000 level. And as we know, guys, as those tokens move up and up and up, so too does the rest of the market. We saw Shiba Inu do a almost 15% return, or gain rather, I guess you should say, literally early hours this morning at about 6 a.m. And now we're starting to consolidate quite nicely. Now, please keep this in mind, guys. I really want you to be aware of this. Even though we're moving quite nicely at these levels, everything looks, pretty good so far, I want you guys to be very, very careful about how we are pushing forward into this, because it's very likely that after runs like this, when Bitcoin runs up this much, when Ethereum runs up this much, when the overall market is running up this much, we could potentially see a little bit of a pullback in the overall market. Please keep this in mind, guys. This is one of the big reasons why I'm holding off on a lot of my different buys right now, because everything is so overbought. And again, one of the best ways, guys, if you want to get exact notifications, exact alerts when Zach and I are buying new cryptocurrencies, you guys got to join that private Discord. It's the best place to be. I digress though, guys. Let's get into the next piece of news here. Shiba Inu smart contract usage increases by over 600%. 600%, you heard that right, as crypto market recovers. So the overall market, we know, is recovering. We're seeing contract usage, or these smart contracts that are built within the Ethereum blockchain network and of course used extensively by Shiba Inu's overall ecosystem, are being heavily used right now. At least 600% increase in usage, which is a pretty significant increase, guys. And that really makes me wonder, why is this occurring, right? Why are we seeing all of these numbers fluctuate towards these huge, huge increases in whether it's price and whether it's contract usage and burns, and everything across the board is increasing right now. Whales are continuing to buy Shiba Inu at a crazy amount and a crazy rate. You have to wonder, is something coming? Is there something that we don't know about, that you and I might not have an idea about, that the whales or the ultra wealthy who are invested in this token? Because don't get me wrong, guys, there is a lot of people who are multi-millionaires. Some of them might even potentially be billionaires that are investing in this token right now. And it really makes me wonder, what do they know that we don't? Just my 2 cents here. It's a theory. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any theories about why these types of things happen and why we continue to see these types of increases. Now, again, the cutting edge fashion partnership, guys, I know that this is the next big thing as far as Shiba Inu and what is currently relevant as far as, what Shiba Inu is doing as far as popularity goes. But guys, this is just not something that I'm gonna sit back today and go, wow, this is so cool. Like, wow, I'm so happy that Shiba Inu, finally did this. It's just not something that I don't think will increase the price of Shiba Inu substantially, if really at all. And again, unfortunately, guys, we still need that Robinhood listing. We have not seen anything from the Robinhood listing. I think there's a million other big pieces of news, or events rather, that could potentially happen to Shiba Inu that will much more affect the price than unfortunately a fashion partnership. And that's just kind of the level that we're at right now. Really quick though, guys, if you haven't already, I want to recommend you hit that first link down in the description below, sign up, make an account and deposit at least $1, and you guys get a free stock. As you can see right there, that could be worth up to $300. I got a free stock of $300 yesterday live on live stream. One of our viewers got one as well. Why not try your hand, guys, and see if you guys can get one as well? I think you guys really enjoy the benefits of public.com. It's an amazing brokerage app to be on in the first place, and plus two, we personally use it. Our personal portfolios on there. You guys can see what we're buying, what we're selling, and everything in between. So why not try your hand and see if you guys can get access to that as well though, guys. But other than that though, pretty much it for today as far as news goes with Shiba Inu. Again, good movements in the overall market. Hopefully we can see continued stabilization and consolidation at these levels that we're trading at right now. We're hitting a pretty heavy resistance at this upper side level around the 2798 level. So please keep that in mind, guys, that we could bounce potentially off resistance again and push back down towards those lows that we experienced just a couple of days ago. Keep that in mind. Be safe out there, guys. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.